Hey, just doing a quick video of a good brand of peanut butter I found here in Santiago, Chile. It's called Mani. That's it. Cuisine by the Cuisine Company. And I'm a peanut butter snob. You know, I like peanut butter and I like good quality peanut butter. I don't like a lot of additives and fake stuff in it and processed. Peanut butter should just be natural peanut butter. And this is what this is. So it's Cuisine by the Cuisine Co. It's 100% peanut butter. 100% 100% Mani, and it's called Pasta de Mani. Now, you'll find in Colombia, they have different names for peanut butter. You can hear it as Pasta de Mani, you can hear it as Crema de Mani, or you can hear it as Mantequilla de Mani. And so there's a lot of different names for it, okay? So this is just another name for it, Pasta de Mani, okay? And it says, if you notice, it says Mani and nada más. Mani y nada más, meaning peanuts and nothing more. Okay, also here on the other side it says libre de gluten. Can you guess what that means? Libre de gluten. Okay, if you guessed it, it means free of gluten. So that's good to look for too. And then under there it says sin gluten. Sin gluten. Without gluten. Sin means without. Okay, so good brand of peanut butter here. And as you can tell, I've been digging into it. Yeah, so it's very natural. So if you're into natural stuff, natural products, and want some good quality, recommended, so you don't have to look all over the place. You can find this peanut butter in stores like Líder. Líder is a Walmart store. It is Walmart here in Santiago, Chile. It's just under a different name. And you probably can find it in some other stores too, but that's where I found it. So just a quick video of the day. Hope you got value. If you did, reach out and smash that like button. Also, if you found some other stores in Chile, Santiago, Chile, that you found good brands of peanut butter at, let me know in the comments. Maybe there's something better than this, but this is one. Now this cost, let me see how much this cost. This was around, let's see. I forgot the cost on this, but I think it was around $5 or $6, $5 or $6. I'm not sure of that, but I will confirm that later and maybe drop it in the comments, okay? But yeah, let me know if you found some other peanut butter brands that's good from Santiago, Chile, or anywhere in Santiago, Chile that you recommend that I try. Okay.